it is. Whoa, he nailed it on the drop. Nice. That is fun. Another big crappie. Man, oh man. They just keep coming. Come here, dummy. Wow. Another beast. I'll start keeping these in the spring. Not quite yet, though. Boy, he just nailed it. He is fat. Both over a pound. Nice. That's a fish. Yep. Gotcha. Nice. Another nice fish. This is no little guy. This is a nice one. That's 5 today. Oh, he's really pulling. Yeah. Whew. He's not finished. Oh, this is the biggest of the day by far. Wow. Man. It's a crappie. It's almost scary to grab him. Wow. Nice. Just through the lip. Just perfect. Another beauty. We gotta start keeping them. I don't want them to get... There's too many. And they run out of food. That's a fish. Got one. If you just troll this thing around the lake, and you catch fish. He's a nice one. I'll say that. Strong pull. Of course, we're... Another crappie. I can't... Nothing but crappie all day long. Which is fine. Another nice crappie right through the lip. That's a fish. It's just regular. That's a fish. Whoa. He smashed it. This is a big boy. He smashed it. This place is thick with these big guys. Another nice one. Not huge, but nice. Come here. Another nice fish. Right through the lip. Nice. Now that you definitely don't keep. Let him get bigger. Oh, that is something. Really nailed it. Wow. Nice. Whatever this is, it's got a lot of size to it. Wow. This is a big crappie. Yep. Gotcha. Wow. Oh. He's a beast. Wow. Man. Look at the scar on him. Something smacked him. He is big. Wow, wow, wow. That is